Good morning. This is cause number 2022-30874 in the interest of Elmer Sines Cruz.
Este es el caso 2022-30874 en el interés de Elmer Sines Cruz.
All witnesses, please raise your right hand to be sworn.
Por favor, levante la mano derecha para ser jurados.
You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
¿Usted jura decir la verdad, toda la verdad delante de Dios?
Correcto.
Correct.
Please state your name and your relationship to the child. You can put your hand down now.
¿Puede bajar la mano, señor? ¿Y cuál es su nombre y la relación usted al niño?
Mi nombre es Elmer Sáenz, soy padre de Elmer Abraham Sáenz.
My name is Elmer Sines, and I am the father of Elmer Abraham Sines.
All right, and representing the Attorney General, State of Texas.
Luis Regla.
Y representando el estado de Texas, Luis Regla.
We have a Uniform Interstate Family Support Act petition. What are we having a hearing, Mr. Regla?
Yes, Judge.
Estamos teniendo una audiencia sobre el caso.
Do we have any stipulations?
No, Judge.
No tenemos una estipulación ahorita.
And so the total number of issues, what are the issues going to be?
The amount of current child support and the topic of retroactive child support.
Estamos aquí para hablar sobre la cantidad de la manutención y la cantidad de lo retroactivo.
All right, let's proceed.
Yes, Judge.
Vamos a proceder.
And Judge, one of the topics, if you can pull up the amended petition that was filed on the topic of
Yes.
retroactive child support. I believe it's page 5 of the document.
Let me see.
It would essentially be page 1 of the document. At the top, it says uniform support petition. But I believe it
So
should be,
paragraph 5, healthcare coverage.
no, I'm on the uniform support petition, section 1, action. The reason I'm directing the court to this page is the mother in one section of this requests retroactive support. In another section of this, she does not, it conflicts. And so we went ahead and prepared retroactive support calculations and kind of just leave it up to the court if the court's going to grant it.
Well, let me see.
Yes, Judge. And
Just to loosely explain that to Mr. Barrera, loosely explain that to the
En la
Mr.
página,
Sines.
en la página número 5, en la petición que mostró el otro estado, indica que quieren child support retroactivo, están pidiendo, y en otra parte de la petición indica que no quieren manutención retroactiva. Y vamos a ver si la corte va a decir.
if it helps, I could screen share, Judge.
Retroactive child support, section 1, action, retroactive child support since, it doesn't say, but
Correct. In section 2, same thing. They did
Parents.
not mark retroact. The line that says respondent has not provided support since.
well, then we can't determine retroactive child support. I don't think that's going to be an issue. We can't determine it. She has to say when he has not provided support.
Okay, Arnold, do you mind briefly explaining?
No vamos a poder proceder con lo atrasado porque no indican de qué fecha quieren el atrasado en la petición.
All right,
Yes, Judge.
let's proceed with the current child support.
Yes, Judge. I'll call Mr. Barrera as a witness.
Llamamos al señor Barrera de testigo.
And sir, could you explain to the court where it is that you work and in general, what do you do?
Por favor, dile a la corte dónde usted trabaja y qué hace. I work for the Office of the Attorney General, and I'm a child support officer trabajo para la oficina del Attorney General y soy un oficial de manutención.
Oh, okay, hold on a minute. Maria, can you interpret Mr. Barrera's
Thank you.
testimony so he doesn't have to interpret and then answer at the same time? She's trying to hook up on this.
Go ahead.
Okay. Thank you, Maria. Mr. Barrera, what information did you receive about the father's gross income?
Señor Barrera, ¿qué información usted recibió sobre el sueldo del señor?
Mr. Sines reported he was earning $500 per week cash and calculated child support based on that.
El señor Science indicó que ganaba $500 por semana en efectivo y basamos la manutención sobre eso.
And that's cash self-employed income?
¿Ese es efectivo por trabajo por él mismo?
Yes.
Can you hear me?
See,
Yes. Sí.
How many other children outside of this case?
¿Cuántos otros niños afuera de este caso?
2 other children.
2 criaturas más.
What would the estimated cost for the cash medical for Medicaid?
¿Qué será el costo del seguro médico por Medicaid?
$65 a month.
$65 por mes.
How much would the gross income be per month?
¿Qué será el bruto neto por mes?
$2,166.67.
2,166.67
Yes, correct.
$2,166.67.
How much would the net income be?
¿Qué será el sueldo neto?
$1,702.05.
How many cents?
5.
1,702.5 centavos.
So how much would the guideline child support be per month?
¿Qué tanto será por mes bajo la guía por la ley?
$272.
$272.
Judge, I pass the witness.
Paso el testigo.
Mr. Sines, do you have any question of Mr. Barrera?
Señor Science, ¿tiene preguntas para el señor Barrera? Señor Science, ¿tiene preguntas para el señor Barrera sobre lo que él testificó?
No, no, está bien. Solamente, perdón.
No, everything's okay.
Okay. Judge, can Mr. Barrera be excused as a witness?
He can be excused as a witness, but I want him to go ahead and interpret.
Yes, Your Honor.
Go ahead.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you, Maria. Next, I'll call Mr. Science, the father in this case.
Le llamamos al señor Sainz de testigo.
What kind of work do you do?
¿Qué tipo de trabajo hace usted, señor?
Trabajo en un taller de pintura automotriz.
I work at a auto shop of painting cars.
Me preparador.
And they pay you have to listen to my question.
Por favor, oiga la pregunta.
They pay you cash?
¿Y le pagan a usted en efectivo?
Sí, me dan cheques en efectivo.
Yes, they gave me a check in cash.
And you reported they pay you $500 a week sometimes, is that right?
Y usted reportó que le pagan a usted $500 por semana, ¿es correcto?
Es correcto.
Yes, that's correct.
You don't have your own insurance for this child, correct?
Usted no tiene aseguranza privada usted mismo para el niño, ¿es correcto?
Es correcto.
That is correct.
So you have no problem with the child being on Medicaid then, is that right? Is that correct?
Usted no se opone que el niño esté recibiendo aseguranza médica por Medicaid, ¿correcto?
Correcto.
Correct.
Okay. However, you object to being ordered to pay 65 for the Medicaid and 272 in child support, is that correct?
Usted se opone a pagar $65 por médico y $272 para la manutención por mes, ¿es correcto?
Es correcto.
That is correct.
Why should the law not apply to you like it does to everyone else for child support and Medicaid?
¿Por qué piensa usted que la ley no le debe que aparecer a usted, en este caso, pagando la manutención y el Medicaid?
Pues porque no tengo los suficientes ingresos.
Because I don't have the insufficient funds.
You testified though that you make 500 a week.
Usted testificó que usted gana 500 por semana.
Correcto.
Correct.
So what's the problem with paying that money?
¿Qué es el problema de pagar esa cantidad?
Que pago 880 de renta.
It's because I
Aparte,
pay 880 in rent, and also ¿tiene algo más, señor?
bueno, los recibos que le había dicho que están en blanco, que no se pueden ver por el tiempo que
Also
tiene
about
que
the
estar
receipts
guardado.
that are faded.
What does that have to do with your child support and your Medicaid payment?
¿Qué tiene que ver eso sobre el pago de la manutención y de lo médico?
Que como eso es un dinero que yo mandé para manutención, pero como ya los recibos están en blanco, no se puede leer la información
That
por
is
el
the money
tiempo
that
que
I
llevan.
sent directly, but because the receipts are old and they're faded, you can't tell how much I gave.
Judge, I have nothing else from this witness. I'm not getting anywhere with him.
No tengo más preguntas para este testigo.
Okay, Mr. Sines, you have something to say?
Señor Sainz, ¿tiene algo más que decir a la corte?
No, que sea el juez quien determine.
No, let the judge decide.
All right, the father's ordered to pay child support in the amount of $272 a month and cash medical support in the amount of $65 a month. Payments to begin December 1st, 2022.
El papá está ordenado a pagar $272 de manutención y $65 de aseguranza para empezar el 1 de diciembre de 2022.
Thank you, Judge.
Already is excused.
Ya terminó el caso. Señor, en un momento lo vamos a mover en un cuarto separado para ahí a terminar la orden, lo que ordenó el juez.
Ok.
Thank you, Honor, for all your work on this.
You're welcome.
I'll leave you to it, man.
Stop the video because I made you a host. Once you're done, you can log it out.
Me?
Arnold.
Oh.